Kolkata, a charming city with chaos and character in equal measure, where every corner reveals a different world. A drive around the city is in itself a fascinating adventure.
So here we are, taking in the sense of off-road adventure in this iconic city in the vehicle designed for it, the Land Rover Discovery Sport in Rajarhat, New Town, which is the destination for the Ready to Discover series Kolkata. We are off, and straight away the Discovery Sport impresses us with its versatility.
Slush pits, hill climbs, side inclines or mud ruts, the Discovery Sport can go through all of this with ease. For such low traction scenarios, the SUV has the capable hardware and software under its hood to help you find a way out.
I'm amazed at the sense of calmness with which the Discovery Sport handles every obstacle it's faced with. And I'm sure that this same sense of calmness is going to prevail and help me enjoy the long drives that I love to take out of this charming and chaotic city I call home, Kolkata. So we have of course had a thrilling day, but let's go find out and talk to a few people who've gone through the exact same experience with us here today.
The coolest thing I've heard in my life.
It was fun, really fun.
You can say it's a one-time, lifetime experience, really.
If we were to recommend a place, it would be Jaipur Forest in Bankura district, about 150 kilometers from Kolkata. So get behind the wheel of a Discovery Sport and just get off that beaten track.